Hi, my name is Ryne Daum. I graduated from Monmouth College in 2018, and I was a business and econ double major. Currently, I work for the Han Company in Muscatine, Iowa as a solutions account associate. And with the book that Jen Braun has you reading there, um, the knowledge is interconnected is something that stood out to me. For my job personally, right now, we have calls all the time, just trying to figure out kind of what is working and what isn't in the market at this point with these unique times going on. And so, not only that, but you think of just the you know history of human beings was before we were cavemen who were just kind of trading things locally, and now we're trading with the entire world. And so, ideas, information, they're always being tied together, interconnected. You're figuring out what products are popular, like iPhones, and what products, like a flip phone, are not. So knowledge is always going to be relevant no matter what job field or major you're going into, whether it's teaching, exercise science, biology. You're going to need this, I guess, expertise of other majors at the college or the business that you work with. I'm not a marketing person, so I'm always asking my marketing team for help on things like that. So you're always going to need, all those different resources to really, be a better you. And so always having knowledge from a lot of different sources is why I'd say knowledge is, truly interconnected.